I'm gonna show you in this video how to generate AI models using flat lay clothes. Now, flat lay means that you just put up the clothes on maybe a table or on a floor and take a picture of it, and then you can use it to generate AI models. Now, in this video, I'm going to use two AI tools. You can use just one, but I feel like using two will give you a more professional and a better result. Now, the two tools I'm going to use is outfitchanger.com. This is what it looks like. And the second tool is called WeShop AI. We'll get there when we get there. Let's dive right in. Now, just go to outfitchanger.com. It's a website that you can use. You can even use this on your phone. It's worked for me before on my phone, but the best results is to use it on a computer. Now, you can just say get started for free, and you sign up with your email address and your password. All right, so we are in. Now, this is how it looks like. There's 3 panels, or well, kind of looks like 4 panels. The first one is for the model. Now, this is going to be how you want the model to look. You can put an image of yourself if you want to model, or you can just get a model online that you want to use. If you're worried about copyright issues, the second step is going to be important to you, because in that way we can change the face of whichever model you put here with an AI model, so you not have any copyright issues. All right, so now we're going to upload our standard model. This is him. And then we're going to upload the outfit. That's just a plaid shirt. So assuming this is a shirt that you made or you're selling and you want it on this model. So that's what we're going to do. So now that we are done, we just scroll down and click on try on. This is basically it. Just 2 buttons, upload, click on try on, and be patient and wait. So it usually takes about 30 seconds to about a minute to generate the image. Now, I must explain that the higher the quality of the images that you upload, the better the generation is going to be. All right, so in less than a minute, we are done. So now this is the model wearing the shirt. This looks pretty good. So now if you want to download this image, all you do is just click on this arrow button right at the top right, and then we're going to download it. Now, you can use this image as is, or you can use another AI tool to change the model almost completely. Now, let's go to the AI tool I usually use, and it's called WeShop AI. Now, I have a link in the description. If you sign up with my link, you'll be able to get some free points to use WeShop AI. So you now go to Workplace right here, and then you have 2 options. You can use model over here, or you can use AI model. Now, with model over here, it costs 40 points. With AI model, it costs 60 points. AI model over here has more model options, so the options are endless, but over here they are quite limited. But for this tutorial, I feel like we should just use model, because the free points are not that many to begin with, so don't go out splurging. All right, so now we're gonna click on new task right here, and then we're gonna upload our image in the first box. Yeah, there we go. We're uploading our image in the first box. Now, whilst it's loading, you can go down and select the model you want. You can choose any model you want. I'm going to go with this black model right here. You can also choose the location that's in the background. I usually don't play with this too much because it can tend to look fake sometimes. So I always either go with a white light or just a plain background. So Solid Color Studio is right here. That will make it simple. Now let's scroll back up, and okay, it's been uploaded now. So now we go to edit. We want to keep the shirt. You know what? I don't even mind losing the jeans. So the only thing you want to choose is the shirt. So make sure you select the shirt and then you click on done. Okay. And over here, you give the AI the description of what you want. And African American man wearing dark jeans. Okay, let's see how this goes. The prompts are not always 100%, but let's see how this goes. Now let's click on generate. It's gonna generate 4 different options, and now we wait. It will take about 30 seconds to about 2 minutes to generate this one, based on the time of day that you do it, because based on where you are in the queue. All right, all done. So there we have it, our African American model. A black guy in the outfit. Now I asked for I asked for dark blue jeans, and this is what I get. As I said, AI is not perfect, it makes mistakes, but I'll prefer these white pants to these jeans. These jeans just don't work for the shirt. But we have a slightly darker version of the denims over here. Passable. But I think overall, my favorite will probably be these ones. So all you have to do is choose the one you want. If you want all of them, that's fine. All you have to do is download it here. Click on the arrow button. It gives you 2 options to download: full size and 4K. Full size is a free download. 4K will cost you, I think, about 2 more points. And honestly, full size is good to be used online. 4K is probably for print and other purposes that you need super high resolution. So I usually just download full size and we're good to go. Okay, so this is how you can generate models using these 2 free AI tools. If you have any questions or you have anything you want to know about WeShop AI or Outfit Changer, just drop it in the comment section. I try and answer as many questions as possible, and I try to do tutorials based on questions a lot of people ask. All right, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.